There were two guys who wanted to cross the river.
So
Right?
is this an elevation question?
No elevation.
This is non-elevation.
Non-elevation question.
But you're asking elevation
So
area.
There were
two guys wanted to cross the river, and they decided to cross the river, and they fucking crossed the river.
They fucking
But
cross the river.
but they didn't get wet, and there was no bridge, there was no boat, there was no nothing.
They didn't want to come.
How did they cross the river and not get wet?
They swam. They swam. And they didn't want to come back, so they didn't come back.
Fucking Rajiv swims but he doesn't get wet, bro.
Flash. Have you said hello to the YouTube world? Have you said hello? No? So everybody, this is Flash. Flash? Huh? You're gonna be good boy. While I go to the shop? Will you be fine?
Welcome back to the video. And I am back. Like, the Flash is following me. It's been a while since I've put something out. But yeah, it's just been got a new job, moved into a new place. Now I have a doggo, and today is new bike day. This one's retiring and the new one's coming in, so pretty excited about that. What is in this? Oh, fancy bag. Looks like a little kit. What is look? Fancy. Nasi Dato. Seat post. And I don't know what's inside. Yeah, seat post. Fuck! Okay, that is a photo.
Same time.
Same time. Where is the? I was Viju Piazza 386 BD.
Yeah.
Oh my god. God. That's sick. That does look sick. Wow. How's it big?
Nothing.
What is this? Man, this is insane, dude. Whoa. It's a proper Mac, man.
Yeah.
It's now the gorgeous morning, Bangalore. Not so gorgeous in Mumbai because of the cyclone, but yeah. The weather gets crazy here, like awesome crazy when things like that happen across the ocean. Yeah, with the new bike, the new whip. Look at it. Welcome back to the video after a really long time. Look bro, I've got a new bike. Yeah, a lot of puns going with that because I got a new bike. It's a Look Blade 795 RS and it's a fucking machine. It's fast. I mean I'm a bit unfit. I've been training for a while, but I'm still flying. Flying on this, so yeah, it's quite a bike. Yeah, so we have a bit of catching up to do. You're gonna see a bunch of videos now. What is it, bro?
I used to practice for hill repeats. Janak Kiran Bangalore. Haunted,
Oh
huh?
yes,
Let's go
sir.
here, man. We need to go here only.
dude.
This should be a dormitory. I think we can compete between both the stomachs.
My bigger.
Definitely.
So it's haunted, huh?
It used to be.
Bro, wait, bro. I'm taking a picture of them.
Come on.
Road cycling in India. The cyclist house. You see all this hanging around. This is incidentally not my first ride on the bike, it's my fourth ride on the bike. I've been riding the bike for 3 days continuously now. Did like a easy 60k the other day. I carried my camera but my battery ran out, so yeah, you must have seen some of those videos there. Then I rode a 72 kilometer ride day before yesterday, and yesterday 100k. And 100k was a pretty fastish 100k. This is also a pretty fast ride. I'm probably gonna do a 90k today by the looks of things, or maybe 100k, I'm not sure. So far it's been super fast. I've had a tailwind, and yeah, the aero properties just come to life when you're going beyond 40, and I've been going way beyond 40 kilometers per hour. So yeah, first impressions, the bike's stiff and extremely comfortable. This is my first carbon bike ever. I'm coming from an alley sprint. This bike is, man, it's like a magic carpet. Little did I know that carbon bikes are so fucking comfortable. For example, these white lines on the road, on the alley sprint, you can easily find out when you're going on top of them. Like there's a slight indentation. But on this, nothing. Crazy. So as expected, fucking windy, very windy. Barely able to keep 30 kilometers per hour now. Woo! But yeah, it's worth it.